The foundation of effective SEO copywriting is keyword research. In this lesson, you'll learn what a keyword is, its significance, and the different types of keywords. I'll share with you a practical three-stage approach to conducting thorough keyword research, focusing on your brand, audience, and competition. By the end of this lesson, you'll have everything you need to identify key phrases that align with your brand's voice, resonate with your target audience, and have strong potential for high search rankings. And if keyword research sounds a bit boring to you, try approaching it as a treasure hunt. The keywords are the precious treasures that you're looking for. This lesson will equip you with a treasure map to help you find them. A keyword is a word or phrase that people type into search engines to find information, like cat, for example. In SEO copywriting, using the right keywords helps your content show up in relevant search results. Keyword research involves understanding your audience's search language to create a list of keywords for your site to rank for. Central to keyword research is the focus key phrase, the search term you're targeting for a specific post or page. As the internet expands, it's becoming more common to use longer key phrases over single keywords because longer key phrases can be more specific, so they can be easier to rank for, especially for smaller websites. We're going to split our keyword research into three stages: brand, audience, and competition. As we move through these stages, we'll build and hone a short list of the potential key phrases to target before choosing one as the focus key phrase for our blog post. First, the brand stage. Here, your brand's mission and unique selling points should guide the subtopics for your writing. Green Cat's home and about pages, for instance, offer many key phrase ideas from sustainable cat supplies and ethical cat food to planet-friendly cat products and eco-friendly cat toys. Don't overthink this stage. If you're familiar with your brand, this part should be easy. These words and phrases should be the things you want to write about and you want your brand to rank for. Write your brand stage key phrases in your workbook. Now it's time to move on to the next phase and focus in on your audience. With your mission in mind, you need to get into the heads of your potential buyers. What will these people be looking for? What kind of search terms could they be using while looking for your service or product? There's no need to guess. There are plenty of free tools out there you can use to help you figure it out. The first tool we're going to use is Google Ads Keyword Planner. To use it, you first need to set up a Google Ads account, but you don't need to spend any money or run any actual Google Ads. This tool is excellent for keyword research because it's managed by Google, by far the most popular and powerful search engine. Its suggestions are things real people are actually searching for. As a starting point, add a key phrase you identified in the brand stage. For green cats, I might start with sustainable cat supplies. Compare Google's key phrases to the ones I identified earlier based on Green Cat's About page. Green Cat describes their products as sustainable, ethical, and planet friendly, but just a few seconds of keyword research reveals that when people are searching for products like Green Cat's, they're using the phrase eco friendly. To appear in relevant searches, it's vital that Green Cat starts speaking the same language as its audience. You would be astonished how many brands make this language mismatch error. Don't be one of them when it's so easy to spot and fix. Armed with this information about the language people are using in searches, the next tool we're going to use at this audience stage is Google itself. This tactic is called alphabet soup. Start writing your main topic or key phrase, then the letter A. These are the most common things people search for in your niche that begin with A. Continue through the alphabet, writing down the suggestions that fit your brand and topic. Continue to build and refine your shortlist of keywords by adding those that align with your brand and crossing out ones you previously identified that aren't being used by your audience. Your refined list now consists of key phrases that are relevant both to your brand and your audience. Lastly, the competition stage. Here we refine the list further to key phrases we're most likely to be able to rank for. The easiest way of working out your competition is through a simple Google search of each of your shortlisted key phrases. Visit the pages that rank highly for a potential key phrase. What kind of information do they provide? Is their content well written? Consider what unique benefits you can offer that they don't. By analysing your competition in depth, you can identify what they do well and find opportunities to outperform them. Larger companies dominating the results might push your ranking down, so focus on the areas that are underrepresented or where you can add something different. For example, if I search for phrases containing the word bike packing, the website bikepacking.com is invariably top of the results. This website does a brilliant job of covering all aspects of backpacking by bicycle with well written, engaging, and optimized articles covering all elements of the niche. If I was considering a key phrase related to bike packing, I might want to reconsider or identify a specific key phrase that wasn't already being covered by the leading website. As you're doing your competitor research, cross out the key phrases in your workbook that are heavily dominated by strong competitors and highlight the ones where the competition seems weaker or less relevant. Now you've found the overlap between what you want to say, what your audience is searching for, and what isn't already being covered by your competition. That sweet spot in the middle is your refined key phrase list. Before you move on to the next lesson, carry out your own keyword research using the three-stage approach in this lesson. Use the workbook as a guide to help organise and document your findings. Select a focus key phrase that you aim to target in your class project blog post. This key phrase should resonate with your brand, be something your audience is searching for, and have potential for ranking well in search results. In the next lesson, we'll zoom right in on our focus key phrase and use it to define the audience, message, purpose, and approach for our blog post.